Hello, welcome to Production with Tayo. I'll be showing you how to produce a beat today. One of the most important aspects of the beat is the piano. Let's add some piano. First, let's just try some stuff out. Hey, good enough. Okay, now that we have the piano done, let's get some guitar riffs. Hmm, ha. Okay, good enough. Okay, now that we have our guitar riffs, let's get some synths. Ooh, a synthesizer. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's add it. My God. Okay, now we're missing something. What are we missing? What are we missing? Strings. Okay. Okay. Now to finish it off, let's just get some minor percussions. Hmm. Okay. Oh, that's not a percussion instrument. Hmm. Ah, well, done with that. Now I guess I just have to rap over it.
You have 1 minute. Let's go. Wait.
What the? Okay, and we're done.